God bless you once again. In the name of Almighty God Jesus Christ, the Nazareth, the Son of God. Today I will share something about goal settings. I will share with you the 7 keys of goal settings. Without goal settings, there is no concept of success. Without goal settings, you cannot achieve your target. Okay, listen carefully. I will share with you the 7 keys. The number first, your goal should be specific and clear. If you have a goal in your life, your goal should be specific. Okay, specific goal. Understand the specific, and your goal should be clear. What is your desire? What you would like to become? What is the thing that you want to be? This is a specific goal. Okay, goal should be specific. The number second, your goal should be measurable. Okay, goal should be measurable, that you can do, that you can achieve. Okay, the measurable. The number third is time bound. Okay, the many people have the goal in their life, just they set up their goal, there is no time. For example, I would like to achieve something and I would like to achieve one thing. Write down the time, day, and the century, years. You can be say also. For example, I have a goal of Orphan Santo. What is the opening date? Time bound. Okay. For example, I would like to buy a land for Orphan Santo 2023 and start processing 2024. It will be complete, time bound. Okay. The number fourth, challenging. Start from the small goals, then step by step